So, I want to try my first Donna flip, but I'm kind of scared. I think it's only right if we do a practice inward. If we just do a practice inward, then we should be alright. Yeah. Alright, this is attempt number 1. Yeah. I got that. Oh, wow. Alright, second attempt. And a Donna flip is different to an inward. Because an inward, you keep your hands on. Like that. So an inward, you keep your hands on. Whereas a Donna flip, you pull your bars like that.
They probably can't see.
And like that. Attempt number 2. Yeah. Why is that so easy? I got a foot to it. You rate that, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a foot to it. But it's scary because you don't know where that Donna flip is going to come. It might land there, or it just might come straight and you loop out.
It might bang you in your head.
Exactly.
You might be dead.
Alright, let's try get 2 feet. It's not that hard. Just commit to it. Just commit. Alright, let's go. Come on. Let's get it right now. Let's go. I'll just get a little trick in before I do anything. But with a Donna, it's all about getting this hand back on. But for people who stand opposite to me, you've got to get that hand back on in time.
Ready?
But it's all about just kind of committing to it. Alright, come on. Commit. Commit, let's go. I need you to film.
When?
Soon. Or now if you want.
Huh?
Now if you want.
Alright.
Because I'm actually close. Alright, I'll do 2 more and then he's getting the phone out and recording. Alright. My hands are sweaty, that's why I've got gloves on. But it's got to be this guy. Alright, this guy, come on. Alright then. So Cameron's getting the phone out.
If we're gonna record.
So I'm gonna put his Instagram right there. In the top right of the screen. Or top left of the screen. And I'll put Ethan's under him. Alright, let's get it. Alright, I'll just put my feet on it and yeah, put my feet on and hope. If I loop out, I loop out. If I smack my head and die, that's it. That was close. Right, 2 feet. 2 feet. I'm landing straight. Yeah, I'll have a look at it. Yeah, that is a Donna. Alright, so I've just reviewed back the footage and that was a Donna. So we're going to hopefully land it. If we don't land it, then... Ethan, what happens if I don't land it? What happens if I don't land it? Do we make them go follow your Instagram?
Yeah, we'll do that.
And your TikTok?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Alright, so follow his Instagram and TikTok if I don't land it. I'll even shake on that. Mate, you'll shake on that. Let's go. Come on, now redo. Alright, Ethan's going. Huh? Nah, that's scary. 2 feet. That's robbery, that is. 2 feet and I slipped off. What is my issue?
Do it again.
Oh, come on, man. Alright, come on.
6th attempt?
Yeah, this is my 6th attempt, I believe. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. Yeah, 6th attempt. Oh, scooter's dialed. Alright, come on, let's go. Oh, I grabbed it wrong. Let's go, yeah? 2 feet, right away. 2 feet, right away. 2 feet, right away. Oh my days. Alright, come on, let's go, boy.
Wait.
glad he's spread out. Your phone wouldn't open the camera, it's not open.
Yes! Yes!
Come on, Alfie.
Oh my days.
Yeah!
Right, we actually landed that. That is gassy. That trick is insane. But that's going to be it for today's video. And I'll catch you in the next one. You can give them a slap.
Bye bye.